Varmilo has made a name for itself by crafting premium, high-performance mechanical keyboards with exquisite design details. With the new Sword68 model, they have managed to pack exceptional pieces and customization into an impressively compact 65% form factor. From stem to stern, refined aesthetics melt with best-in-class acoustics and typing feel for an elevated user experience. So get ready as we fully unbox and review this finely crafted Varmilo Sword68 full CNC metal custom mechanical keyboard. Our hands-on experience with the Varmilo Sword68 started with an eagerly anticipated unboxing. As we lifted the lid, the first thing that caught our attention was the keyboard itself, snugly protected by a dust cover. Next to it, an accessory box revealed its contents, a key/switch puller, a USB-A to USB-C cable. The careful packaging truly hinted at the premium experience waiting to unfold. As for build quality, the Varmilo Sword68 makes a bold statement right from the start with its full CNC case crafted from 6033 aluminum. Weighing it at around 1500 grams, it's undeniably hefty, contributing to a sense of durability. The fine hazy matte finish combined with the metallic texture creates a surprising semi-gloss effect, elevating its aesthetic appeal. Our hands-on experience included the aerial version, one of the 3 available designs, each boasting intricate different themes. Diving into the tapping experience, we encountered 2 switch types: the Kale Prestige Voice and the Varmilo Daisy L. Our unit featured the Varmilo Daisy L switch with a 35-gram operating force, offering a light pressure linear feel. The operation was remarkably smooth, making it well suited for office users. What set it apart was the vivid click sound, adding a satisfying auditory dimension to each keystroke. The Varmilo Sword68 does not just rely on its build and switches, it impresses further with 5-sided die-sub keycaps featuring classic thematic designs. Flipping the keyboard over, a UV-printed aluminum plate weight greets the user, showcasing an impressive design. The PCB leaf spring gasket structure combined with a 5-layer inner bag enhances the overall hi-fi metal series keyboard experience. As we looked at the different layers, PBT keycaps, Daisy L switches, and full CNC top case, we could see how detailed the new gasket structure is. Now, if we take a look at the RGB customization feature, the dynamic backlit RGB lighting effects illuminate our workspace, providing a visually striking ambiance. What's even more exciting is the ability to customize lighting effects through the exclusive driver available on the Varmilo website. The intuitive interface allowed us to tailor the keyboard's aesthetics to our preferences. Now, beyond lighting, the driver also proved to be a powerhouse for customizing key macro combinations. The most remarkable aspect is the community aspect. Being able to share these personalized macro key combination schemes with fellow enthusiasts adds a social layer to the keyboard's functionality. The Varmilo Sword68 is not just a wired keyboard, it offers versatility with a 2.4G wireless connection, Bluetooth 5.0, and a built-in 4000 mAh battery. In wired mode, the response rate is a swift 2.5 milliseconds, showcasing the keyboard's responsiveness. Transitioning to the 2.4G wireless mode, the delay marginally increases to 5.5 milliseconds, while Bluetooth mode with an 18 milliseconds delay still maintains a commendable response rate. In our extensive usage, these delays were barely noticeable, ensuring a seamless and uninterrupted tapping experience. The keyboard is compatible with both Windows and macOS, broadening its usability spectrum. Our hands-on experience with the Varmilo Sword68 left an indelible mark. Tapping on the Varmilo Daisy L switches was a tactile delight, and the 35 grams operating force provided just the right amount of resistance, offering a balance between responsiveness and comfort. The audible click sound added a satisfying feedback layer, making each keystroke a sensory experience. The keyboard's weight, while initially surprising, contributed to a stable feel during intense typing sessions and gaming alike. The CNC case exuded a premium quality that resonated with the overall aesthetic of the keyboard. The UV-printed aluminum plate weight at the back not only added to the visual appeal but also contributed to the keyboard's stability. Customizing the RGB lighting effects became a personalization journey. The ability to create and share macro key combinations within the community enhanced the keyboard's functionality beyond the traditional tapping landscape. The wireless connectivity options coupled with the impressive response rates allowed for a more seamless transition between modes, catering for various user preferences. In the end, the Varmilo Sword68 stands out not only for its robust build and tactile switches, but also for its commitment to user customization. It seamlessly blends aesthetic with functionality, making it a noteworthy addition to the Hi-Fi Metal series. If you appreciate a keyboard that goes beyond the ordinary, the Varmilo Sword68 is a compelling choice.